Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to solve the exponential functions. At the end of the video, like, share, subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section. That keeps me motivating to make a new videos. Now here you can see the question is 5x is equals to 125. Now we need to find out the value of x. Whenever we are getting such kind of a question, what we have to do on both sides, we have to make the base term same. This is a base term, but here we have 125. So for that, we should know that 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5, which is equals to 5 raised to power 3. Now, if I will write down in place of 125, 5 raised to power 3, you can see the base terms are same. Once the base terms are same, we can compare the powers. So we can write down here, therefore, x is equals to 3. Similarly, in the next question, they have given us 216 raised to power x, 6 raised to power x plus 10. So here on the right hand side, we have 6. But on the left hand side, we have 216. So 216 can be written as 6 into 6 into 6, which is equals to 6 raised to power 3. So I can write on here 6 raised to power 3. X is already there. We will write on this x is equals to 6x plus 10. Now after that, we can use the rules of exponents. So 3x, 3 into x, which is equals to 6x plus 10. Now you can see the base terms are same. So we can compare the powers. So we can write on therefore 3x is equals to x plus 10. We will take this x to the side. 3x minus x is equals to 10. We will get 2x is equals to 10 and x will be equals to 10 divided by 2, which is equals to 5. So the value for x is equals to 5. Now let's take some other examples of such exponential equations. Now in this question, two numbers are given 27. This can be written as 3 into 3 into 3, which is equals to 3 raised to power 3. 9 can be written as 3 into 3, which can be written as 3 raised to power 2. So we will write on here 1 over 3 raised to power 3. Outside it is 4 minus x, which is equals to 3 raised to power 2. Outside we have 2x minus 1. Now the laws of exponents, 1 by a raised to power n can be written as a raised to power minus n. So 1 over 3 raised to power 3 can be written as 3 raised to power minus 3. So we'll write down here 3 raised to power minus 3. Outside it is 4 minus x, which is equals to 3 raised to power 2, then 2x minus 1. After this, we can write it as minus 3 bracket 4 minus x, which is equals to 3 raised to power 2 bracket 2x minus 1, because we have to multiply this negative 3 to 4 minus x and this 2 to 2x minus 1. Now the base terms are same. We can write on the powers equal. So we can write on therefore minus 3, 4 minus x is equals to 2 into 2x minus 1. Let's open the brackets. We'll get minus 12 minus 3 into minus x is plus 3x is equals to 4x minus 2. Now we will take your x value to one side and the number value to the other side. So I will shift this to this side. I will shift this to this side. So we will get 3x minus 4x is equals to minus 2 plus 12. We will get minus 1x is equals to 10 and x will be equals to minus 10. So the value of x here is minus 10. Let's take another example. So sometimes we don't know, like 243 can be written as how. So for that matter, we can make the prime factors of it. 381, then 327. We can divide it again with 3, 9, then 3, 3, 3 and 1. So you can see here 243 can be written as 3 raised to power 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can write here 3. 4x minus 9 is equals to 1 over 3 raised to power 5. So we already did. If the value is given in this form, we can write it as 3 raised to power minus 5 using the law of exponents. So now the base terms are same 3 and 3. So what we can do, we can write down the powers equal. We can write down therefore 4x minus 9 is equals to minus 5. I will take this 9 to this side. I will get 4x is equals to minus 5 plus 9. 4x is equals to 4 and x is equals to 4 divided by 4, which is equals to 1. Similarly, we can do another question. Now, in this question, 64 is given and 16 is given. We can make the prime factors of it. 2, 32, we can divide again with 2, 16, then again with 2, 8, then again with 2, 4, then again with 2, 2, and then again with 2, 1. So 64 can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 2 raised to power 6. And if you will see 16, we have started from here as 16. So 16 can be written as is equals to 2 raised to power 4. So we'll write on here 2 raised to power 6 and then bracket 2x minus 4. Similarly, here we can write on 2 raised to power 4 a bracket 5x. Now we will write it as 6 into 2x minus 4 is equals to 2 into 4 into 5x. Now we can see the base terms are same 2 and 2. So we can compare the powers. We can write down here therefore 6 into 2x minus 4 is equals to 4 into 5x. Now we will open the bracket. 6 into 2x is 12x minus 6 into 4 is 24 and then 20x. We will take x value to one side and we will keep the number on the other side. So we will get minus 24 is equals to 20x minus 12x. So we will get 8x is equals to minus 24 and x will be equals to minus 24 divided by 8 which is equals to minus 3. So this is how we can find the values of the variables in the exponential functions. For such helpful videos, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.